Hey everyone! In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix login failed we couldn't sign you an error in Halo Campaign Evolved. I actually made a simple step-by-step guide image for this fix, so I'll put it on screen while I explain. So here you go. First, do not launch the game manually from its installation folder. Don't double-click Halo CE.exe or any other game executable directly, because that can trigger the login error. So instead, open Steam, go to your library, select Halo Campaign Evolve, click play, and then optional open, and then click on always launch the game through Steam. And if the game asks you to sign in, follow on the on-screen instructions. You'll see a QR code, a web link. Scan the QR code with your phone or open the link in your browser, then sign in with your Microsoft account and complete the account linking process. Once your Steam and Microsoft are successfully linked, close the game if it's still open. Now launch the game Halo Campaign Evolved again to Steam. Then the "we couldn't sign you in" error should be fixed. And that's it. Those are the exact steps I used in this guide image to fix the login error. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more and easy gaming fixes. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.